Anyways, welcome back to Western New York Living. With the holidays fast approaching, I'm sure many of you are looking to get your home sparkling clean. Custom-made cleaning offers many services for the home and office to help with all of your needs and to make that sparkling happen. We're happy to have with us from Custom-Made Cleaning, Colleen Gasparo and Miranda Gilio. Thank you both for being here.
Thank you for having us.
Good to have you back on the show. This is that time of year where everybody's like, oh my gosh, I have to host. I'm going to get this clean and ready. You can help out with that, right?
Yes, if you're feeling stressed about the holidays and like the last thing you want to do is clean, just give us a call. We can come in and help. That's what we're here for. You know, we can do any rooms that you would like us to do. We could just do like your whole downstairs. You know, maybe you don't have people going upstairs, but you want your downstairs clean and disinfected. That's what we can do for you. So give us a call. We do occasional, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly. You know, every 3 weeks, whatever works in your schedule.
And Miranda, sometimes it takes that professional touch, the eye to see things that the homeowner's like, I'll be okay with that, right?
Oh, no, yeah. Our cleaners know what they're doing. So we fully train them on exactly what to look for when they're in a house. You know, get the baseboards, things that you don't normally do yourself. So our cleaners are fully trained on exactly what to look for.
Some folks might be wondering, well, I'm not on a regular schedule. Will you take me? But you can do the one-off, but they can get on a schedule too, correct?
Oh yeah, so we do regular cleanings. We do weekly, bi-weekly, monthly. You can even be on the schedule occasionally, you know, every few months if you want to do that. Or you can call us, you know, if you just want a one-time cleaning, a deep cleaning. We do move in, move out, things like that.
All right, and also offices too, office cleaning.
Oh yeah, generally we can do like a small office areas. We can do even larger ones. We have a staff, you know, fully staffed for the second shift actually. So yeah, we treat the offices just like as we would your home, because basically that's your second home for a lot of people. And so we take care to touch all the bases, high touch areas, high traffic areas. Yeah, we can take care of you.
I imagine there's probably some companies out there saying, yeah, we get people coming back to the office here in the last year, so they need more help to get those offices clean for that return to work for the office. I do want to ask you this, Colleen. Family-owned business, over 35 years, is that correct?
Yeah, crazy, I know. It started off with just me, and and now it's blossomed into, we have 2 locations, several managers, operation managers. Miranda, my daughter, is one of the owners, as well as my son. And I'm semi-retired, I guess you could say, but they're doing a great job. I mean, it's wonderful. We have several, I don't even know how many employees we have anymore. I don't keep track. Sorry.
Might have to hire more after today's show and folks calling in there.
Exactly.
I do want to mention for the holidays, a gift certificate. That's a great gift, right?
Yes. So important, people. If you really don't know what to get for a loved one, a neighbor, anybody in need of cleaning, this is a great gift. And I'll tell you, there's probably like a 99% return on these.
Sure.
So it's going to get used, and we do. It's great. People from out of town will get it for their parents. They just don't know what to get for them. This is a great idea to give them. Yeah, give them a little extra time in their schedule.
All right, before we go, I always ask for a tip, either a winter holiday tip.
Yeah. Okay. So I have just a few. When people are coming into your house, that's their first impression. So make sure that you take care of your entryways. Vacuum your mats. If you have like a boot tray or a shoe tray, which you should have at this time of year, make sure that that's cleaned. And then the high touch areas as well. You have people coming and going out of your house. It's like germ city. So you use like alcohol wipes or a microfiber rag with a disinfectant on it. Clean your doorknobs, all of your doorknobs in the house, your light switches, your TV remotes, anything that's like high touch. And your kitchens, real quick, if you see any odors, it could be from your garbage disposal or your sink. You could just peel some lemon peels, throw it in your garbage disposal, let it grind up. It not only cleans it and smells good, but it has some antibacterial properties to it.
It always comes up with great new tips, and none of you clean your door handles, I know that.
Yeah.
That's why you need to call Custom Made Cleaning Incorporated, their premier house and office cleaning service that has been in business in our area for over 35 years. To find out more about all the services they provide, head to their website at custommade-inc.com. You see right there on the screen. Also, give them a call, 775-0820, to set up an appointment, and you might be able to save some money too, up to $50 when you sign up for weekly or bi-weekly services, and they suggest you follow them on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram as well.